Archipelago, composed of 4 islands located in the Mozambique Channel. The Comoros have been the leader of the world ylang market for over 50 years now. Nicknamed the flower of flowers, ylang is a beautiful yellow flower sought for its essential oils by the greatest perfumers in the world. Each year, the Comoros produces about 40 tons of essential oils of this flower, especially in the islands of Anjoin and Moheli. As main source of income for many households, this production has harmful consequences for the environment. Deforestation to plant new fields, but especially to fuel the firewood, is of such magnitude that it poses a major threat to the ecosystems of the islands. The degradation of ecosystems by economic activity is a very serious problem for both farmers and all of the inhabitants of the region. There are solutions for sustainable exploitation in the member countries of the Indian Ocean Commission, but also in Europe. The European Union wants to share its achievements and values with countries and peoples beyond its border. It's in this idea that the European Union finances the Biodiversity Project. One of the many goals is to showcase what ecosystems have to offer without destroying them. Concretely, is to improve the economic development of the islands in the region and the livelihoods of communities while preserving biodiversity.
À travers ce projet biodiversité, on a trouvé des solutions innovantes, des solutions durables pour la gestion des ressources naturelles. La communauté, ils ont pu augmenter leurs revenus. On a vu un impact très visible sur l'environnement.
Domains Association is leading this project with the Indian Ocean Commission to support the ylang sector and help preserve the environment, which will contribute to its own sustainability. This project includes the finalization of a research and development work to propose a hybrid steel, reducing wood consumption by 90%, thanks to a fireplace equipped with a steam generator.
Vou apertir savoir-faire ya hupiha yilanglangi ikantito yo kuvunguha izi source za approvisionnement za yilanglangi yo zivunguha yani bana babo nslangwa de imiri.
Domains is an important Comorian community player in the environmental sector. Since 2012, the association has been helping stakeholders in the sector to ensure its sustainability. In Moheli, its actions for the protection of the environment and the sustainable management of natural resources are carried out in collaboration with the Moheli National Park and the Mleji Ylang Cooperative. After years of work to strengthen the capacity of the cooperative and make it a player in the protection of the environment, the park, Domains, and Mleji Ylang are joining efforts through a charter of good social and environmental practices.
Ripare kamba hawasi dome na cooperative Mleji Ylang na park marin réussir kueleshana mba lazima kwamba rifanye sharti de meilleures pratiques.
This chart will mark the commitment of producers, distillers of ylang of Mleji Ylang, and why not in the future of all the actors of the zone of the park to preserve the exceptional environment of Moheli, while guaranteeing the actors to be able to continue living of culture and transformation of ylang.
Le parc marin de Moheli a développé un partenariat avec Dume, a signé une convention de 40 000 € pour que Dume puisse accompagner les producteurs d'ylang au niveau de Moheli à faire la promotion de ces secteurs, mais aussi à conserver l'environnement au niveau de l'île de Moheli.
The ylang sector involves many actors. It all starts with picking and producing ylang flowers. The men and women of the industry have been trained to improve their flower production techniques, choose the flowers that ensure the best quality of oil, and maintain its ylang rays, how and when to crop trees to obtain more yield, but also how to avoid erosion by arranging its plots. The association Domains also accompanies the distillers with training on the improvement of distillation techniques to optimize its yield and learn to reason at best its distillation. Domains also supports the establishment of sustainable distillation sites, which takes into the sustainable management of natural resources, wood and water needed in large quantities for the distillation process.
Na society yatu rifanywa hazi nao wariprome hukambangwa jarfanye mabirka mauri lilafanywa ndondoni ikamba maji ivuke circuit ferme yasikamba maji ya dongo ndani nsitu na mnene haitia yatambalia ya abone kango maji kabisa maji le reo topara upie langilangi yao miria demain wasaidia hanguvu haubalilia mbaike kula katir parenkuni parce problème yakuna mba yakutabilo aba haruma 5 ans ranise okutro harumi miria yo.
Regarding the real risk of deforestation, Domains supported the establishment of nurseries to produce seedlings for reforestation with the help of the Indian Ocean Commission and the European Union. These lumberyards are fields planted with fast-growing trees for pruning to produce firewood.
Si crée petit parc en bois, si tabu kutu moja langilangi, moja tabu miriayo. Ikawa miriayo hanguju ya muhimu rabuzi tunaweza nkuni dans l'avenir dans 2 ans bana tukana nkuni kama hizo nzorenga shibani hangu do miriayo yayo tena ngani hifadhi ya shamba hamondogo za erosion maana shamba lulu harngel harma mlima wenye mvua nyingi donc wetika ze elements lio wetika ardhi yoyo ashkune pareni du coup wejo provoquer na lise donc on sait la miriayo kama yaliyo babo hifadhi de gaz lise.
Domains also works with actors in the sector to improve their living conditions. The health component has not been forgotten. Thanks to Domains and its partners, members of the Legend Line Cooperative now benefit from a mutual health insurance. For women, picking Ilang and improving living conditions means creating income-generating activities such as market gardening. For others, it involves combining soil fertility, protection, and income supplements.
Wasi wanroa upwa fula langi. Aungero nol fula langi karshinda la saidia ndongo ijo kayonsi. Deratoalia mba lazimu rufanye yazi ya jardin. Nirpare rejisaidie maisha yatu. Wabo jar saidi wa mbeu, saidi wa matimati, saidi wa karoti, saidi wa petsair, saidi wa saladi, saidi wa mashirungu.
Tiandisa utabu ilangilangi de itako jua wi tretendo awoja tabu ja tanla moja nonesa avaseno amjoti trete hauzuri plasio ikatumro mvoya hisha akogora lidongwa litoa dera bukao na zitabu babo lidongolozia kamwe plasini local lati hatena.
To manage better these income-generating activities, women pickers and producers benefit from training tailored to their needs, such as functional literacy, but also entrepreneurial and cooperative management. Above all, they are accompanied by Domains field team, supported by the Indian Ocean Commission and funded by the European Union to achieve their objectives.
Une formation kawa financée en demain. Et formation yonge axée sur la gestion des coopératives. Objectif de wasiuja uonesa muhimu ya coopérative harmoni coopérative ya mledilang waonese zi avantages zilioneka waji constituer harmoni coopérative ngeri wasomesa utena sur la gestion financière, sur le leadership.
Domains also works with other local partners. The Rural Family House of Ndronjoni, a professional integration association for young people in Moheli, is working on the manufacture of biomass briquettes made of cardboard, sawdust, dried flowers, or other organic materials that could eventually generate income for these young people and partially replace the wood for distillation.
Harma faida ya environnement ngir fikrumba i briqueterie ngiri ba avantage parce que imiro ya tujua ya shuke babna babu mana nada mo tuvunguze deboisement. Ensuite ya mo pendant environnement donc ngiri ngio sama gestion de déchets ngiri ngia hama miji aina bano bleu carton renge ma carton donc ngiri bunguza tsene déchets don rotsa bazao mjini.
The strategy for reducing the impact of the exploitation of the ylang flower on forest resources also requires technological improvement. In fact, traditionally, a lot of wood is still used contributing to the environment degradation. New tools exist to reduce the wood consumed during distillation, such as improved stoves. Domains and the German design office Simply Solar have been working for 3 years on a more powerful tool, a hybrid stove still working with small quantities of wood or biomass briquettes. It works with a double combustion fireplace, heating a place steam generator whose parameters can be controlled closer thanks to an electronic box to reason perfectly its distillation.
Nous sommes en train de tester un nouveau type d'alambic qu'on appelle alambic hybride qui fonctionne sur la base d'un générateur de vapeur. Donc on distille à la vapeur grâce à une nouvelle technologie qui a été développée par un bureau d'études allemand, Simply Solar. Et ce générateur de vapeur permet de réduire quasiment de 90% l'énergie nécessaire pour produire la même quantité et la même qualité d'huile essentielle d'ylang. On essaye maintenant de mettre en place cet alambic in situ en milieu rural et d'apprendre aux distillateurs d'utiliser cette nouvelle technologie qui reste une distillation tout à fait banale, mais qui utilise effectivement quelques paramètres supplémentaires qu'il faut maîtriser.
All this work, the establishment of a sustainable inland sector in the Comoros and more particularly in the Moheli National Park, was made possible by the contribution of various private sector partners involved in the creation of a sustainable supply chain.
C'est le cas de la Commission de l'océan Indien, appuyée par l'Union européenne à travers le programme Biodiversité, qui ont pu nous octroyer un fonds de 100 000 euros sur un projet global d'environ 200 000 euros, qui nous a permis de mettre en place cette technologie aujourd'hui sur Londoni, sur Moheli.
All these actions will allow the ylang sector to still have good days ahead. The next step for Domains in connection with its partners will be to popularize the hybrid stove. Thus, the Comoros will be able to prosper this sector in an environment preserved for future generations.
L'implication de la Commission de l'océan Indien dans ce domaine est essentielle pour réduire la pression de l'activité humaine sur la richesse de la biodiversité et dans un même temps augmenter les ressources des habitants de l'Indian Océanie. C'est une priorité pour nos États membres et pour notre partenaire sur ce projet, l'Union européenne. Ensemble, nous contribuons à améliorer la vie des communautés tout en préservant les ressources naturelles de la région. Il est essentiel de partager cette expérience afin d'améliorer la coopération régionale et de sauver ensemble les écosystèmes. Ils sont notre richesse aujourd'hui et une garantie très importante pour les futures générations.